Happy New Year. Holidays are over. Always a busy time of the year. But I have an afternoon and nothing to do, so let's go make a tool. So the chassis is all put back together. I still need shocks and a wiring harness. But for now, I'm going to do a little bit of work on this bed. I don't know if you can tell. I got a big old dent in that right there. Unfortunately, I have no room to get a body hammer in here. So I'm gonna make myself a tool to fit up in there to see if I can't bang that dent out. This is a concrete chisel. I got this from Harbor Freight for about $12. I'm gonna use this to bang out those dents. But as you can tell, that's a sharp end. That'll just end up cutting through the metal if I use it as is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a piece of 1-inch tubing, cut about 3 inches off, and weld it on the end of that chisel to make a T. And that should give me a nice blunt surface to bang that dent out. All right, now that I've got this hammered on here, I'm gonna go and weld it. That way, when I'm using it, the tube doesn't try to move around on me. So now we got the tube welded onto the chisel, and now I've got about a 1 foot range that I can get in there and try to hammer some of these dents out. So, I've got a long way to go, but it is working. I've got some square tube, so I might go get a second chisel and weld on a square tube so I have a different shape to work with. So the point is, the tool that you need isn't always available. So sometimes you have to go get something close and modify it to make it work. Don't be afraid to make what you need in order to get the job done. I'm gonna get back to banging this dent out so we can get on to primer and hopefully get this trailer done so I can get back to some of my other projects. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.